If you are feeling confused, trust me, it's normal. UC is offered by IIT Bombay, Guwahati, Hyderabad, IIIT, Jabalpur, and many are adding now. But it actually offers courses like fashion communication, textile design, accessory design, fashion technology, fashion management as well. You move into smaller areas like product designing, animation designing, graphic designing, textile designing, etc. Hey, stop on. So you are preparing for design, but you are stuck on one big question which are generally asked from us as well. Should I go for NID, NIFT or UCED? And if you are feeling confused, trust me, it's normal. Here is the thing, all three are top level design colleges in India. But they are very different in how they teach, what they expect and what kind of designers you will be. Let's break it down properly. NID, National Institute of Design. If you are someone who thinks a lot and questions everything and is curious about the things work, NID might be for you. This college isn't looking for perfect artists. They are looking for thinkers, the observers, the problem solvers. NID Foundation course is focused on building your design basics, drawing, materials, forms and your visual language as well. You don't just jump straight into specialization, you explore first. After that, you move into smaller areas like product designing, animation designing, graphic designing, textile designing, etc. Exhibition or your interaction design, it's slow and deep. See, you will work on long-term projects, ask why and experiment a lot. If you are ready to think deep, question everything and sit with open-ended problems, this is your space. Now talking about NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology. If your interests lean towards fashion, styling, textile, branding, visuals or even business, then NIFT could be the right fit for you. NIFT is often misunderstood as just fashion design college, but it actually offers courses like fashion communication, textile design, accessory design, fashion technology, fashion management as well. NIFT is faster paced, more connected to the industry. You will work on real trends, retail ideas, branding and aesthetics. Now यहाँ पर aesthetics पर there will be focus. So if you are someone who loves fashion and function or you want a career that combines creativity with market reality as well, this is your zone. Now comes the IIT, UCED, your undergraduate common entrance exam for design, which is for IITs. UCED is offered by IIT Bombay, Guwahati, Hyderabad, IIIT, Jabalpur and many are adding now. It's unique. It has reasoning, maths, visualization, design aptitude and drawing. It's not only about creativity, it's about structure, creativity, logic. If you enjoy the problem solving, if you like design with a tech edge and you are good at time-bound reasoning, UCED is for you. Most UCED colleges lean towards product designing, UI UX, communication and interaction designing. It's less craft heavy and more idea driven with a strong link to tech and innovation. So which one should you choose? Ask yourself. Do I love observing people and solving deeper problems? Go for NID. Am I passionate about fashion, styling, branding, lifestyle? Go for NIFT. Do I enjoy logic, problem solving and structured design? Try UCED. Also consider your personal strength, the exam format you are more comfortable with, the kind of career you imagine yourself in. And please, don't decide just based on college name or the cutoff marks. Decide based on your mindset, your learning for next 4 years and your career in the industry as well. So the final thought which I would like to give you is, all three colleges are amazing, but none of them define you who you are. You definitely have your own path, you define your own path as well. So be honest with yourself, figure out what excites you more. Logic, aesthetic, system, production, products, XYZ. It is all on you. The answer will guide you to the right college. You are not just choosing an exam, you are choosing how you want to think, observe and design for the rest of your life.